I have so much to study for my PCP exam. I wish there was an easier way. Introducing MyExamCloud's PCP practice tests, the solution to all your exam woes. With 22 full-length mock exams and 1 free trial exam, you'll have plenty of practice to ace your PCP exam. Our objective tests are based on the exam syllabus, so you can be sure you're studying the right topics. And with our Plan, Practice, Achieve dashboard, you can monitor your progress and see where you need to improve. But that's not all. We also have a final random test from our huge question pool, so you'll be fully prepared for any surprise questions on exam day. Wow, this is amazing! With MyExamCloud, I feel so much more prepared for my PCP exam. So don't stress out over your PCP exam. Try out MyExamCloud's PCP practice tests today and ace your exam with ease.